I just want to talk about oil prices just for a moment as a big trend which can be changed by small events. Today we have an oil price which is hovering between $110 and $120. Where will it go? What do you think? Put your hands up if you think that if the Saudi kingdom falls, oil prices could peak at over $200 a barrel at some point in the next 2 years. Put your hands up. You see, I'm not interested in my views of the future. It's your views that matter most. Put your hands up if you think there's a more than 30% risk, that the Saudi kingdom will fall in the next 5 years. Put your hands up now. Okay, so what you're saying is 40% of you think there's a very significant risk that Saudi could fall. If it does, you think that we could see $200 a barrel of oil for a period of time. These things matter. And what do I think? I think that we will see continued spikes in the market, mainly as a result of fear, because that's what the future is full of. The future is controlled not by events, but by the most important word that drives the future is not events, it's emotion. It's how we feel about what is happening. So it's how we feel about the Libyan civil war, which controls the markets. It's how we feel about the future of the Mexican economy that controls the exchange rate and inward investment. So if we wish to understand the future of the FEMSAR group, we need to look beyond the Excel spreadsheet numbers and the annual report figures which you saw yesterday and think about the emotions of our customers, our investors, and our wider community. Now, when it comes to oil prices, I think we will see fear. But there's one other factor which is going on beyond that, which I will come to, which will control oil prices more than anything else. In China, we have 300 million people who are moving to cities in the next 10 years. This is the largest migration of human beings that the world has ever seen. In Africa, we will see 500 million people move to cities in the next 10 years. When we have people beginning to come up the income level,